Hi guys, it's Nicole and welcome back to our channel. Today we are waiting in line to go to Walt Disney World's 50th celebration, and we are so excited to take you along with us. So we are in line right now at Pop Century to go to Magic Kingdom. There's probably a couple thousand people in line. So it's 7:35 and we just got on the bus. We're on our way to Magic Kingdom. It is open and it opened a little bit early. So hopefully we'll be there within the half an hour. We just got in the Magic Kingdom. Derek's getting his bag checked, but I'm so excited to be here. Magic Kingdom is right behind me, if you guys can see that. After a very long bus ride and a very long wait in line, we are finally here at the Magic Kingdom on the 50th. Oh, the monorail is going above me. It's kind of scary. Can't believe we're finally here. We're walking in for the 50th and it's so exciting. I'm so happy we're finally here. We've been planning this trip for like 10 years and it's crazy that we're actually here. We're gonna go check out the merch first and then hopefully we can make our way down Main Street. Look at the castle. They're filming up there, which is so exciting. Well, it is an absolute madhouse here, and unfortunately, all of the merch stores, you have to have QR codes to get in and a reservation to get in, so we can't even get in any of the merch locations, but there is the castle, so that's super fun. I knew it was going to be crazy here, but I cannot believe how incredibly crazy it is here. Like I said, we can't even get into any of the merchandise stores. They're all closed. You have to have a virtual queue for all of them. So who knows if we'll be able to get any 50th merchandise today, but at least we're here. At least we're celebrating, having a great time. We'll be here all day. The park is open from 7:30 to like 11 tonight, which is awesome. And we're so excited about seeing the fireworks show. At this rate, I feel like we're gonna have to start getting a spot for the fireworks now at 8 o'clock in the morning, but here's our first look at Mickey and Minnie's character statues. They're so cute. Look at the castle, how amazing it is. I'm so excited. We're gonna have so much fun today, and the castle looks so amazing. Look at these character statues. Goofy is adorable. I can't wait. Hopefully we can get 50th treats since we can't get any merchandise, but we will see. And here's one of the new Halloween decorations. So we have a really pretty Halloween wreath like we used to have, but now it has all of these gold leaves on it. And Cinderella's carriage for the 50th, because we're right outside of the castle area. So that's super cute, just a fun new touch they didn't have before. And in this video clip, we have Bob Chapek and Josh Damaro talking to one of the employees from the Pinocchio Village House. I read that this employee is not only in his 90s, but he's also a World War II veteran. It's really great to see the CEO and chairman of Walt Disney World Parks taking some time out of their day to greet and meet some of these workers.
Thank you so much. Have a great day. Hi there. Hi, Argentina. Yeah. Thank you. Take care. Thanks for coming out. Thank you, guys.
Yeah. I love how sparkly the 50th signs are here. So in the Florida sun, it really sparkles and lights up. I don't even think it's like as sparkly on camera as it is in person, but they're so sparkly, so fun. just want to show you guys the line. Derek's still waiting in it. We're waiting to get a popcorn bucket. It's behind me, so let me flip you guys around. This right here is the line to get a popcorn bucket. So we're waiting and hoping to get the yellow one. The popcorn stand is way up there. The line to get everything is super, super long. Finally up to the front. So excited to get our popcorn bucket. So it's probably like 9:30 now, so this area is definitely cleared out a lot. Seems like people are finally back, maybe riding rides. We're still waiting for a return time to the Emporium to see if they have any merchandise left, but we'll see when we get in there. It was Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Daisy, some like flag girls in the front, and Chip and Dale were on the back of it. So that was really fun. Did you like it?
Yeah, it wasn't bad. Short.
Derek said it was short. I thought it was super cute. They were all in their iridescent outfits. The music was fun. It was only 2 floats though, so pretty short, but that's really what a cavalcade is. Yeah, so I think we're gonna head up to the castle now. This is the line for the spring rolls. It starts way back there at the beginning of Adventureland and goes the whole way up there. It's so crazy here right now. The wait times though for rides aren't that long. It's just the wait times for the merch and the special food is really long. Okay, so the first ride we're going on today here at Magic Kingdom for the 50th is going to be Pirates of the Caribbean. There's only a 20-minute wait, so we put in a mobile order for Dole Whip. We're going to ride Pirates, and then when we get off, we'll be able to pick up our Dole Whip. So I'll take you on the ride here shortly, and see you in a minute on the ride.
What may I offer for these hearty heads?
Quit your clucking! The gentleman wants to go round!
So we just got off Pirates and we're gonna go do our Dole Whip now. So we mobile ordered it. Now that we're off of Pirates, it's about our time to pick it up, so we're gonna press that. We're here and go get Dole Whip. I got raspberry, Derek got regular. Yeah, so again, it's very hot out. So yeah. So we're inside the Emporium. Here's their big 50th sign and it's so pretty and so cute. The castle's right behind here. It's absolutely insane in here. Like, they have something for everyone. There's just so much stuff in here. So many people in here. Everything is super cute though. This is probably what I'm most excited about, this little soap dispenser. So it actually puffs out in the shape of Mickey, which is so cute. Okay, so here's the iridescent plush Mickey for the 50th. She is super cute. We have Mickey hanging out back here. That's adorable. And a Pluto. That is so cute, the Pluto. But all of these together are such a cute little set here. Let's see, they're $29.99 each. All of the 50th snacks. So we have popcorn, chocolates. It looks like Oreos, maybe. We have coffee, K-cups. Absolutely massive lollipops that are $30, but those look really fun, just quite expensive. Another pair of the 50th ears. We have some cute little kids clothes, sweatshirts, leggings. There's even these like adorable little onesies for little girls and a teeny tiny little mini backpack. Here's the adult shirt. That's really cute. Here's some more sweatshirts. We have a little mouse ear hat. That's super cute. If it wasn't so hot, I would probably buy that, but it is just so hot out right now. We have little like cast member looking shirts. It looks like here's some like chip clips. We have like little postcards up here. There's little magnets down here. Here's a photo frame. We're actually going to get a different photo frame, but they have just about everything for everyone. Here's a mug as well. It's really cute. I've seen little girls in the park in this dress, and it is absolutely adorable. It looks quite hot. It's a pretty heavy, well-made dress, but let's see how much it is. $99.99. So that is super cute. Right next to it, we have some of those sparkly mouse ears again. We quickly wanted to shout out the cast member Ricky from the Emporium who helped us find a pin that we were searching for. She was amazing. Okay, so we are on our way to the Magic Kingdom for the second time today. So unfortunately, because you can't send things back to your room, all the 50th merchandise that we bought, we had to bring it back to our room. So we kind of freshened up, showered again because it was very hot. And now we're heading back for the Magic Kingdom 50th fireworks show. So we're going to be getting on the bus here in a little bit. We're at our Pop Century Hotel, and we'll show you around the Magic Kingdom again and everything else we do once we get back.
Yeah, the commemorative maps.
Here's a really cute commemorative little maps we got for today. So cute. Here's the Dumbo statue for the 50th at Magic Kingdom. So right to the left is the castle. Here's the Mad Hatter right in front of the teacups. And then right over there in the tree is the Cheshire Cat. We're gonna go over and take a picture of him right now. It's so cute that he's like up in the tree. That's adorable. I love it. Little Spirit jersey. So what the back of it looks like. Let's see. Doesn't say how much it is. Then we have some of the Halloween Crocs. We have the Hocus Pocus Binks mug. So I think we're gonna get this. It's so cute. It's purple. There's a Hocus Pocus sweatshirt. And they have some bucket hats. They have all these Hocus Pocus little glasses. Those are super cute. Oh, they have this Happy Halloween candle too. So here's what one side of it looks like, and then here's what the other side of it looks like. So the candle's $20. That's not bad because it's a really big candle. Let's see what they have on this side. Oh, so they have some little decorations for your Crocs. Again, they have more of the Crocs. This is a really cute sweatshirt, and it's a really lightweight sweatshirt. That's really cute. In this gift shop, they have more of the Numos. So they have Jack, Stitch, Sally, Pooh, Piglet, ER. Over here, they have like Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Daisy. They have all the little clothes. Those are super cute. Okay guys, so it's about 10:15 and we got off of Space Mountain and came over to the Starlight Cafe and got a snack because we hadn't had dinner. And now we're gonna go try to ride the teacups. We may try to ride Peter Pan's flight and then maybe the Haunted Mansion before we leave. We're trying to stay here as long as possible because we're hoping some of the crowd clears out a little bit early, and then hopefully it won't be a long bus ride back to the hotel. The fireworks show was great today. We had so much fun getting here early, seeing like the CEO, buying all the fun merch, and now we're just finishing our night with some rides. So we're on our way right now to the teacups. So this is one of the opening day attractions, and I really wanted to do some of the opening day attractions. I'm really excited that we're gonna get to ride it tonight. We just ate, so we don't want to puke, so we're spinning slow. But the teacups were an opening ride, so I'm super excited.
Check these people behind us.
Oh my god. I can't spin that fast. Okay, just spin it faster.
Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination?
It's 11 o'clock now. The park is officially closed, so that kind of wraps up the whole 50th anniversary. We had an amazing day today, so we got up early, we came, got some merch, rode a few rides, got some Dole Whip, went back to the hotel room, came back, got more merch, food, rode more rides, saw the new fireworks show that was absolutely amazing, and we just had so much fun today. So we're gonna be heading to the buses and back to our hotel now. So we were just leaving the park and we found Lumiere and Cogsworth. They're like my favorite. They're so incredibly cute. And they have a £1 50th chocolate bar with popping candy in it. Look at that. That's crazy. It's huge. And look at all of these M&Ms and Skittles. It's crazy. We have some classic Rice Krispie treats that look like Mickey. Shut up, really? They have slushies? Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. We had an amazing time at Disney's 50th anniversary. If you're new to our channel, we'd really love it if you subscribe down below, and definitely check back for another theme park video soon. Thanks for watching, bye!